Hi, I'm Xin Li, and I'll start with our store model. Our store model is virtual reality as the new brick and mortar. After 10 years, people in a high-tech society, and the VR, AI, and 3D printing have become common. We have a brand new platform for all people, and the people can use VR Bluetooth. Then you can go to any store anywhere in the world. Robots are also integrated into our society. They become your exclusive shopping assistant in virtual reality. They can help you solve all the issues you have on the platform. You can tell a robot the name and the location of the store you want to go to, and he will send you to your destination. We have also added 3D printing technology. Customers can use it to create their special products. Customers can choose the style, color, pattern, and even you can draw anything you want by yourself in the system for the product you choose. You can instantly see the product you create in virtual reality. After you purchase it, it will be 3D printed quickly as a real object.
Hi, I'm Victoria Cow, and I'll be explaining the technology related to our ideas of future retail. The technology needed for our store model starts with smartphones. Everyone has smartphones at this time. Customers can check brands' social media and shopping apps to find products they're interested in. They can then view those products as holograms for a better look. Customers who want an in-store experience can enter a brand's VR store. For the customer, VR will come in a variety of forms, such as glasses that don't need to be plugged in anywhere, or headsets that can be plugged in for use at home. Once customers look through the store, they can purchase what they want within the store. The purchased item would be digitized for use in VR, and a code would also be sent to the customer to use for 3D printing. 3D printers would be more advanced and also be a norm in this society, so everyone would own one or have access to one. Since people would be wearing pixel outfits within the virtual reality, 3D printers would print pixel products, but would also be able to print real products or everyday wear outside the virtual world. Also, it can recycle old products by disintegrating them, returning them to raw materials or pixels. Once a customer doesn't feel the need for a piece of 3D printed clothing, they can just use whatever 3D printer they have access to disintegrate it to be used for future pixel or real garments.
My name is Cara, and I will be discussing the vision and mission of our retail model. The vision and mission of our retail model is the idea that no one wants to wear the same thing more than once, as well as creating a better, more sustainable environment. With the innovation of pixels, we can solve the problems not only the fashion world has had to face, but also the problems we have created. Pixels will truly allow fashion to be inclusive for all, and no matter where you are located in the world, you will have access to these technological advances. Clothing will be made specifically for your body while only being made on a demand basis. There will no longer be a fear of going into a store and not finding your size. Moreover, the idea of assigning a number to a body type will be a thing of the past. Lastly, pixels will help eliminate tons of waste the fashion industry has been known to produce. The fashion industry, on average, produces 13 million tons of textile waste each year. Because clothing is now digitized or made to order through 3D printing, there will no longer be a need for big industrial factories that produce and release toxic materials into the atmosphere. We expect with these new advances, our new world will be moving towards cleaner energy.
Hi, my name is Dashneet Kohli and I will be talking about the store experience. The retail store is based on the experience of accessibility of virtual reality in any location or area. The idea is to democratize fashion sitting in any part of the world. The store experiences might include fashion shows, pop-up shops, collection drops, etc. based on target demographics. These promotional events would help build brand loyalty and message to a wider audience. One can surely meet up with friends and decide to visit this virtual reality experience together, making it more social and interactive. Another way of experiencing this virtual reality is making the store more exclusive to a group of people or person by booking a time slot for any particular event or occasion so that the services offered would be personalized. For example, the Kardashians could book the entire luxury store to themselves for their VIP visits and services. However, the virtual reality store would help make that experience more interactive and accessible to anyone desiring it. Experiential retailing will empower customers who have 24/7 access to the store, making the brands act in a way that are certainly meeting the needs of the consumer and how they want to be serviced.
Hi everyone, my name is Maria and I'm going to be talking about store experience. Not only will there be promotional events, but virtual reality store locations will be the new way of shopping in person. Each brand is able to create various virtual reality experiences for the consumer to enter. For example, if you want to shop at Louis Vuitton, they will provide various experiences that you can pick from. In this case, you enter the virtual store and will be greeted by a robot sales associate. They will be able to show you the newest products and answer any questions you may have. This way, you're getting a luxurious and a personal experience. Once you've made a decision on your purchase, you can download it to your VR closet or 3D print it to the real world. Another way brands can continue to build a community is by hosting several virtual reality events. They will invite all their clients to enjoy a lunch party on the beach or in the jungle, and this gives the customer a sense of belonging to the brand.
Hi guys, my name is Rui Hu, and I will continue to discuss the store experience of the future store, using part of the original brick-and-mortar store as a small virtual pop-up store with a small discount in the future store. For example, Jack Ma's opened a pop-up store in the spring of 2021 to sell bouquets made of the fabrics of the brand. This could be done in the new retail experience, but instead within a virtual reality. For fashion weeks, a year make every brand's designer feel deeply pressure. Small virtual fashion shows can reduce the pressure on designers and at the same time reduce the cost of renting fashion week venues. The limited edition fashion shows in the store can increase the public's deep impression of the store location and also allow the public to immersively experience the brand concept. Customers can visit the fashion show, then try on their favorite garment and order them.
In the future, the fashion products will be available physically and virtually in real time. People can choose to buy physical ones or virtual ones at a lower cost. Besides, there will also be a virtual only products that have special effects could not be achieved in real world. So people could wear the virtual items in virtual world, games, social media, and so on. So with the increased amount of purchases of virtual items, there will be less cost, waste, and pollution due to the production of real clothes. The improved technology of 3D printing could also bring new ways for recycling. For example, people could bring their old clothes to a fashion store and then put them into a 3D printing machine for disintegration. And then they could select a new designs they like and finally get their new clothes made by the materials of original clothes with little cost.
Hi, I'm Jia Tong and I'm going over another part of the sustainability. And for the third point, for example, add a brand new logo, traditional logo with the customer's patterns, word tags, numbers that get you together on maybe a basic t-shirts or long sleeves. And that can be also adding professional stylist recommendations, go by the customer's perspectives, and or maybe automatically reflect the brand consciousness in the customer's mind, and also while being fashionable, that way can strengthen this connection between the brand itself and the customers, so that can save the manpowers, the materials, reduce costs, and protect our environment. And for the first point, reduce environmental degradation through production because everything is digitized. Products that need to be designed maybe in very original or traditional way that can use the environmental friendly materials like organic cotton, and maybe imagine in next few years all product filters 100% recycled. The brand product line can protect the sustainable development series or collections, and innovative the designs can attract the attention of the public while appealing to everyone's concept of sustainability, triggering their emotional renaissance.
Hi, my name is Mackenzie, and I'll be discussing our payment model. In this retail model, cryptocurrency is standard among society and used to pay for forms of goods and services. As customers go through their virtual shopping experiences, they are able to add products to their virtual cart or account. Said cart is directly linked to their personal crypto wallet. During their checkout process, customers are able to encounter seamless, one-time transactions via digital payment and are able to personalize their retail experiences further through payment subscriptions. Subscriptions will serve as a method for retailers to build customer loyalty. In this model, VR retailers are able to offer customized subscriptions based on their target demographic. These subscriptions can vary, either being generically membership-based or tiered in their offerings. These tiers may include features such as unlimited usage, fixed usage, or premium access to exclusive clothing such as runway collections. Additionally, memberships may incorporate invitations to store events and additional experiences beyond day-to-day retail. Regardless of membership, customers' subscriptions to various retailers are automatically linked to their virtual reality, and they will experience this form of payment in their checkout process.
Hey guys, so my name's Ali and I'll be discussing omnichannel touchpoints with this new virtual reality retail model. So with this new model, there are various different aspects that can be implemented. While exploring different virtual realities, the new brick and mortar, QR codes can be placed to connect said reality to social media, allowing the consumer to see what they're purchasing and how it looks on people that have posted as well. Since we're in the future, social media will look a little different. Now instead of on a screen, you're able to view your feed through a hologram. This allows you to interact with the product as well as the social media-based feed of the products the retailers posted and been tagged in. While at home, unplugged from virtual reality, you're still able to access social media and create purchases from the brand's page, similar to how it is now. However, this is also the new e-commerce. Both social media e-commerce and brick and mortar create new interactive ways for consumers to connect with the brand completely virtually. Also, subscription-based models, as mentioned by Mackenzie, will be in place for retailers where a consumer is able to purchase the pixelated and 3D printed item, or you're also able to subscribe with a monthly fee using cryptocurrency to have access to various pieces based on the price you pay. This subscription-based model will be the new loyalty member rewards that we see today and encourage people to continue purchasing from their shop.